Morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Micaela Sirsaldo. My report for today is about the record of typhoons here in the Philippines. But before we proceed to our topic, let us first identify the meaning of typhoon. What is typhoon? A typhoon is the same thing as hurricane and a cyclone. The difference is in the location. Hurricanes occur in the Atlantic and Northeast Pacific. Typhoons like Haiyan are found in the Northwest Pacific Ocean. In the South Pacific and the Indian Ocean, the same type of storm is called a cyclone. But scientifically, they are all known as tropical cyclones. When there's a bit of weather disturbance, a warm tropical ocean, moisture, and light wind, condition may be right to produce a cyclone. By whatever name, this storm can produce violent winds and waves, torrential rains, and flooding. Tropical storm KARDING is the 11th tropical cyclone that entered or developed within the Philippine area of responsibility in 2018 and the first tropical cyclone for the month of August. The Regional Specialized Meteorological Center also named the system Yaji, a Japanese word for goat or Capricorn, originating from an area of low pressure over the Philippine Sea. KARDING was first noted as tropical depression at 8 o'clock a.m. August 7, 2018. Despite marginally favorable atmospheric conditions, the system intensified into tropical storm at 2 o'clock p.m. the following day. Its peak intensity within the PAR was reached by 2 o'clock a.m. August 10, with maximum winds of 75 km per hour and 90 km per hour gusts. During its tropical depression stage, KARDING remains nearly stationary over the Philippine Sea. However, it began moving generally northwestward as soon as it reached tropical storm category, although erratic behavior in its movement was still observed in the afternoon on both 9 and 10 August. By 9 o'clock a.m. of 11th August, the center of tropical storm KARDING has left the PAR. The passage of KARDING resulted in the enhancement of the southwest monsoon, which brought scattered to widespread monsoon rains over the central Luzon and the western section of northern and southern Luzon. Due to the nature of its tracks, KARDING continued to enhance the monsoon rains over the country even after leaving the PAR. These heavy rains resulted in severe flooding in many areas in Region 1, Calabarzon, and NCR. Significant meteorological observation. The lowest recorded mean sea level pressure and the highest recorded winds during the passage of KARDING within the PAR are 998.6 and 55 km per hour respectively, which was observed at 2 o'clock p.m. 7th August by a ship located approximately 205 km northwest of the TC Center. Meanwhile, the highest total of accumulated rainfall during the passage of KARDING, Figure 1, was recorded in the Baguio City Station, 441.8 mm. This is followed by Science Garden Station in Quezon City, 345.2 mm, and then by Sinaid Station in Ilocos Sur is 344.2 mm. These values constitute 49% and 68% of the long-term 30 years average rainfall received during the month of August in Baguio and Science Garden Station respectively. It should be noted that the observed rainfall was caused by the enhanced monsoon rather than direct effect of the TC. Warning information. A total of 9 domestic information in the form of severe weather bulletin and 17 international warning for shipping were issued during the passage of Tropical Storm KARDING. Preliminary damage statistic. The National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council or NDRRMC reported a total of 2 casualties and an estimated 36.4 billion pesos worth of damage brought about by the monsoon rains during the passage of KARDING. Again, my name is Micaela Sirsaldo. Thank you for listening.